What's up everyone and welcome to you on the MOONCHARTS YouTube channel. Hope that you're all doing very well as always. If you want to get the next move, I just planned everything yesterday with you, so the only thing you have to do now when I'm giving you your target, the target like this, you just have to trade the targets based off the order flow. But yeah, if you want to learn Elliott Wave, you're at the right place. We're going to see what we can expect next year, what is a possible next move, or what are the possible next move, all by teaching you Elliott Wave. As always, of course, if you want to get more of us, you just have to go on the mooncharts.fr website. You're going to get all the informations. You can get some, for example, an Elliott Wave course, an Elliott charts course, what we are using, for example, the order flow, how to get the entries, for example, how I have been able to short this top yesterday just by reading this clip. Of course, we'll have a plan before with the waves, trade with Elliott Waves, and from here we just trade the reaction based off the order flow from the targets we plan. It's the only thing we do, and from here I have been able to short and to compound my short more with this later to ride all this move to the downside. So crazy profit is made. The take profit is take profit now. I took profit personally. I set my stop loss entry, and now the trade is safe. I cannot lose money anymore, and I made some money. That's pretty crazy. So if you want to get some more details about this, do not hesitate to go and check this out. Everything is on the mooncharts.fr website. But anyway, so yeah, yesterday what we planned is 5 ways to the upside with a wave 5 targets here. Okay, that was the first configuration I gave you. With VIPs we covered 2 different configurations. The second configuration is this. I'm just going to that was a short version, by the way. You have a live trend every day and a short version of the update. I just want to I just want you to listen to it so you can see how perfect this have been. Just absolutely crazy, and this is how we have been able to short the top. So I'm just gonna let you listen to this. I'm gonna mute myself and the sound, so just listen to this and I catch you just after this. And we can absolutely be in this configuration. That's why I added a resistance here, simply because as planned yesterday, I don't have a control here, but as planned yesterday we can do an A, B, C flat, for example. Not necessarily go that down, but we can absolutely go also to the 30.2, for example. We can absolutely do something like this, do a big ABC flat here. That's why this is a resistance to not forget clearly. In that case, this will not be a big the pink 1 2 3 or 5 will be simply an A, B, C zigzag, and then the draw. So yeah, you see how this short version, or even this live stream, is exactly what I also said in the yesterday live stream. So we are aware of absolutely everything. The only thing we'll have to do is to trade the reaction based off the order flow. So we expected this possible drop right here. If I just play these smaller waves, if I just place this smaller wave right here, this 1 2 3 4 5, I'm going to place with you on the chart this smaller wave so you can see perfectly how this play it, and so how what I was saying yesterday to VIPs, just play, and so also you can learn from this. Okay, so 1 2, I'm just going to play the exact same wave so you can see 3 4 and the wave 5. Okay, so that is a wave 1 2 3 4 5 planned yesterday. As you can see, also the wave 1 2. Okay, the wave 1 2. What time frame was it? So you can see really with the same time frame. So wave 1 2, okay, 3 here is a wave for retracement, the wave 5 to push higher, and from here to push higher to get this massive move to the downside. So again, are we going to drop that down or not? We can absolutely stop before, it's absolutely possible. But and you got the pink wave here that, as I was saying in the update, that could be not a wave 1 2 3 4 5, that could be absolutely something else. That could be simply just to place you the wave so you can see again better what I mean here. That could be the pink wave could be, instead of to get the wave 1 2 3 4 5, so after the blue arrow done, wave 3 4 5, it could be simply no wave 4 and 5. We just have a continuation to the downside for an A, B, C zigzag, continuation to the downside. So this is why, in any case, as I say to VIPs, that was a short to take if the data are following. Okay, and again, we'll have been able to short that just based off the reaction on the order flow. That's it, really. Okay, that's why this is very, very powerful to add Elliott Wave to plan your targets. And yeah, by the way, because you pay attention to this, this is, for example, what we planned yesterday. So A, B, C flat, the possible, again, are we going to go that down or not? We're going to, this is what we're going to cover today. But as you can see, this was also a target in addition to the wave 5 target. This was also a possible planning we was aware of. And so if you pay attention to this March 20th, March 27, this is exactly where we got a rejection. How to play this and how to use this, how was it possible to plan this move to the downside directly? It was simply like placing your retracement tool from the low right here to the top right here, okay, to the wave 3 top clearly. From here you have to add your flat targets. I'm just gonna move this a bit more on the right so you can see clearly, by the way. Sorry, I have a bit of a cold. So yeah, from here you can see 123 and 27 the flat targets are, so the flat target, the flat why is a flat buys where you have this on the website too in the Elliott Wave section. For free buys where you have the Elliott Wave here, free courses on the website available, you have to go and check this out. You have the Elliott Wave, ABC flat, ABC zigzag for free on the website. Really do not hesitate to go and check this out, it's absolutely free and just waiting for you. But here that's this pan. So A right here, A wave, B retracement, that retraced minimum 90%, and now it was already above, so we knew that it was about, I mean, it was the 123, 27, and then the C wave to the downside. So here we got our move into the 123, 27, the yesterday target plan, and from here get the move to the downside, because yeah, we got the good data for a short trade. I'm just going to play the exact same wave, big wave right here. I'm gonna play some big wave like this too. And so now we just have to add the wave, the C wave turrets to determine where this is going to stop. Okay, I'm just gonna remove this, right? 90%, right? 13, and we are good in right in 5-2 for a swing third pan. So right 23, 27, this was the exact target we planned yesterday. So you can see the price is normally almost the same. Yeah, it was a bit below here. That one here, this is a bit high because I replaced this with the exact dollar. But yeah, in any case, that's pretty cool. So now what you have to do here to find the C wave turret to look for a possible long trade to use the extension tool from the A wave route to the A wave. Oops, misclicked that. From the A wave route. Sorry, from the A wave route to the A wave bottom right here to the B wave top. Okay, so from here you have to add your C wave target, so to speak. Here just add your 618, 120 extension, 1823, 1618. So these are the targets of the C wave. So what you have to do here, just to, for example, enter step by step on all of these targets. If you want to play with a swing trade, for example, this is what you have to do. And so next we shall see another move to the upside for the wave 5. That's the first scenario we have right now. Okay, and the second scenario is we already have done the wave 4, we already have done the wave 5, so we're going to get a continuation. We'll have to play with both scenarios. That's why I personally feel a short here, because I'm playing with this first configuration clearly, where by the way, this is in there right here, that is the first configuration, where the wave 4 is still, I mean, we are still in the wave 4 and we are going to push hard for the wave 5. That I'm playing with this mainly, but in any case, that's the first scenario we are going to play with. But there is also the possibility of being done with the wave 5 with another configuration of the smaller wave candle. Normally it's not really valid, but it's still something possible. In that case, we're going to look for a bigger continuation. That's why I'm short from here, and now I'm going to enter the long trades only if there is a good direction on the order flow. So again, you have the order flow course on the website, so do not hesitate to go and check this out. Why I'm teaching you in every single day, the daily Excel chart update, into the daily Excel chart update, into the live stream. I'm teaching you the order flow. I'm just explaining to you how and why I feed my trades, what I was looking for, what I was looking at, everything. Why is also the MC reaction. That is a very, very, very important part of the long and short trade data. Where you want to take a long, where you want to take a short. The MC entry reaction clear is very key. So yeah, so that's the plan right now, to be honest with you. So second scenario, really, in a case we see how the wave factor is high, if I have to push high. And that is the third scenario, to be honest with you, where we are still in the wave 4 and we're going to push high for the wave 5. So for the smaller wave, what do we have, by the way, before to end? In the A wave, in the B wave, and in the C wave, here we have a correction, so double XY. Here we have a correction, so ABC exactly, have you understood before? If you follow the small wave, I was explaining to you before. And what we have here in the C wave, we have a 5 wave, so 1 2 3 4 5 impulsive, or 1 2 3 4 5 ending. Yes, this wave 4 can break the wave 1 bottom. It's possible because that is an ending or a leading, but in that case, this is in a way of a zigzag, or in a wave 1 of an impulsive. That is an ending. Okay, again, you have this on the website in the Elliott Wave course right here. You have the leadings and endings here, and you also have a quiz on that next to test your knowledge. So really go and check this out. It's made for you and you're just waiting for you clearly. Anyway, so yeah, that's all really for today. So I'm gonna keep the smaller wave for the moment for VIPs. And yeah, by the way, if you want to support the channel and to also get some bonus while you're trading, do not hesitate to go and check out the link right below in the description with PRIMEXBT. This is the first platform I use it for trading. Really, I absolutely love that one. You can, for example, sorry, open a trade And when you open, you add the quantity normally into the trade, this platform is going to open a new trade on the broker. So you don't need to for example, to make a sub account, all of this. No, you can open just some different trade on the exact same account with the exact same pair. I mean, this is absolutely crazy. That's why I absolutely love that one. And so yeah, if you want to get a bonus, a possible bonus up to $7,000 deposit bonus. So just by making a deposit, well, by using the link in the description, creating an account with it, verify email, just by making a deposit bonus, of course, by using the promo code, you have to go in the promo code section here, add the promo code, activate, you make the bonus, and you can win up to $7,000. So really, go and check this out if you want. You can get some very, very nice bonus, to be honest with you, while you're training. And if you don't want, you do whatever you want, of course. But anyway, as always, don't forget to smash that like, subscribe to the channel to turn on notifications. This is very, very important. Hope you enjoyed this update. Hope you learned. And yeah, I wish you all a brilliant day. Have a nice weekend. Take care and see you all later. Cheers.